Hello students, today's topic is transportation. Transportation in humans. So blood is a connective tissue in humans. It transports the necessary substances to cells and transport metabolic waste product away from those of the same cells. The main component of blood are plasma, red blood cells, platelets and white blood cells. So plasma, it is a yellow color fluid. It transports the food, carbon dioxide and the waste products. Red blood cells, it contains hemoglobin which transports the oxygen. Platelets, these help in the blood clotting. White blood cells, these cells fight against the harmful bacteria, viruses and germs. So the heart pumps the blood through the blood vessels. Now the heart. Heart is a muscular organ. It have two sides separated by muscular wall. It have four chambers: left atrium, left ventricle and right ventricle. So how the heart works? Heart is having two types of blood, that is oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood comes from various parts of the body, and where it comes? It comes to the right atrium. From the right atrium, it goes to the right ventricle. And from the right ventricle, it is pumped to the lungs. In the lungs, that deoxygenated blood releases the carbon dioxide and takes the oxygen from lungs. Then it became oxygenated blood. That oxygenated blood from the lungs again comes to the left atrium through the veins, which then pumped to the various body parts by the left ventricle, and it is transported through aorta. So heart is having two type of blood vessels. First one is arteries, second one is veins. First one, arteries. These carry oxygenated blood from heart to various body parts except pulmonary artery. These are thick and elastic. The smallest vessels, which are 1 cell thick, are called as capillaries. Then veins. Veins carry deoxygenated blood from body parts to heart except pulmonary vein. These are in thin and less elastic. Lymph. This is also a transporter fluid. The pores present in the walls of capillaries, some amount of plasma, proteins and blood vessels escape into intercellular space in the tissue to form lymph. So it is colorless. Lymph absorbs and transports fat from the intestine. It drains away the excess tissue metabolism. Now, the transportation in plants. There are two transporter tissues in plants. First one is xylem, second one is phloem. Xylem. It transports water and minerals in upward direction from roots to the highest point of the plant. Whereas the phloem transports the food from leaves to other parts of the plant. Xylem only transports upwards. Phloem transports in upward and as well as in downward directions. Xylem works on the principle of transpiration. Phloem, it works on the principle of translocation. It transports food from leaves to the other parts. Transpiration. It is a process of loss of water as vapor from aerial parts of the plants. Now the fourth process, that is excretion. The metabolic activities in the body generates many kind of wastes. It is a process in which wastes are removed from our body. So excretion is a process where wastes are removed from our body. So which are the metabolic waste which are created or generated in our body? First one is digestive waste, second is respiratory waste, third is nitrogenous waste. Urea, uric acid, water, etc. are the example for nitrogenous waste. Now, human excretory system. It consists of two kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Kidneys. It filters the blood and removes the waste. Ureters. It drains out urine from kidney to the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. It stores the urine. Urethra. It transmits urine outside the body. Kidney have a filtration unit called as nephrons. So this is nephron. Nephrons are filtration units of kidney. It consists of a tube which is connected to duct and a cup-shaped structure that is called as Bowman's capsule. Bowman capsule, it filters the blood and collects the urine. Henle's loop, it reabsorbs the glucose, amino acid and water. Then urine enters into ureter through the ducts and collected in urinary bladder, and after some time it is excreted by the body by urethra. This is all about the human excretory system and nephron. Excretion in plants. Oxygen is a waste of a plants which is released during the photosynthesis. Transpiration removes excess of water of the plants. Fallen leaves also contain plant waste. Plant also release their waste in the soil near them. Waste products may be stored in leaves, that is fallen off from the tree. Other waste products stored as a resin and gums, especially in the old xylem. Plant also excrete waste into the soil around them. So this is all about the excretion in plants.